Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Marianne and I'm always happy that you watch my video whenever I upload one. Today I am going to wash blankets and I'm gonna show you the traditional way of washing here in the village. The first thing that I have to do is to fill the basins with water and then put in my detergent and disinfectant if I have any. And then I'm just gonna show you the traditional way without using a brush, without using my hands. I will only use my feet. So today I'm gonna take you on that journey. So let's wash these blankets and carpets and curtains with me. I have managed, but look how sweaty I am. I'm so sweaty. This we use as a mat or a carpet. It was the hardest. It was the hardest. So I have managed. So the trick with the trick to hang the duvet and the curtain and the blanket back there is to use two hanging lines so that you can spread them, because when they are this long they can touch the ground. So the easiest way is to use two hanging lines and then you spread the two so that you can have so that is today's work. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and until the next one, bye bye.